Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Audi Q7 key battery, easy method. Start by locating the small release button and sliding out the mechanical key. Use a flat plastic tool to pry open the seam gently and avoid metal tools that can damage the shell. Remove the old CR2032 battery and note its orientation before replacing. Insert the new CR2032 battery, snap the shell closed. Reinsert the mechanical key and test the remote functions. Prepare your workspace and tools before opening the key fob to make the job quick and tidy. Use a flat plastic pry tool and a fresh CR2032 battery to prevent damage and ensure proper contact. Work on a clean, well-lit surface so springs or screws are easy to find if they come loose. Wearing gloves helps prevent oil transfer onto the battery contacts. Take your time and follow the battery orientation exactly for reliable results. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. On another note, quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading in the garage or on the couch while parts ship, with a crisp display and long battery life that fits a busy DIY schedule. Check the description for the link and other deals, then relax with a good book. Now let's get back to the video. If the fob does not respond after replacement, double-check the battery orientation and clean both contacts gently with isopropyl alcohol. Corrosion or a weak replacement battery can cause intermittent signals, so try a known good CR2032 if you have one handy. If cleaning and swapping the battery does not help, the fob might need to be reprogrammed or repaired by a dealer or locksmith. Testing the mechanical key locks also confirms the fob battery was the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.